Why are the names Jojo Dullard and Deirdre Jacob, two women who disappeared in the 1990s, back in the headlines today? Well, Jojo Dullard was a 21-year-old from County Kilkenny. She'd been on a night out socialising on the 9th of November 1995 when she missed the last direct bus home. She got a bus to Kildare instead and had planned to hitchhike back to Callan in County Kilkenny. She rang her friend shortly before midnight to say she'd got a lift home, but she was never heard from again. 3 years later, in July 1998, 18-year-old Deirdre Jacob disappeared from near her home in Newbridge in County Kildare. Today, Gardaí are working with the Defence Forces, having sealed off a site around the Kildare-Wicklow border. They're excavating the site and looking for any forensic evidence that could be linked to the disappearance of the two women. This current search could take a number of days, and the families of both women have been informed. Their cases have been upgraded to murder investigations, and even all these decades on, Gardaí are still appealing to the public who may have any new piece of information to get in contact with them at their local Garda station or by contacting the Garda confidential line.